3 rules of helping verb. This topic is very important because I have seen many students that do not know where they need to apply helping verb. They always write like this, I and go. What is the meaning of this? I will not like to explain that, otherwise you would laugh. So the 3 rules are there. Without these 3 rules, helping verb doesn't come anywhere else. The very first rule is helping verb plus V1 ing. V1 means verb's first form. So this rule is applicable when we are talking about continuous sentence. I am teaching English. What is that? मैं English पढ़ा रही हूँ. If I change this sentence into past continuous, then it will be I was teaching English. And if I change this into future, then it will be I will be teaching English. So the very first rule is helping verb is used in continuous tense. Second rule is helping verb plus verb's third form, which is always used in passive. What is passive? Passive is something when we write formally. For example, homework is done by the students. And what will be the active of this? The students do homework. When we change this active into passive, then definitely helping verb plus verb's third form comes. The last rule is non-action sentences. As there are always 2 types of sentences. One is action and another one is non-action. Action sentences are those where verb comes. And non-action sentences are those where verb does not come. For example, I have mentioned here, I am a teacher. Do you think I have mentioned any action over here? If I will be writing I am teaching, then definitely teaching will be in action because this is something that I am doing. So teacher here is not an action. This is something that I am introducing myself to you. I am a teacher. So definitely these 3 rules are there. You always need to memorize helping verb in continuous, helping verb in passive, and helping verb with non-action sentences. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.